Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, grocery addict, it's Jackie. When you see this, I will be in Florida, yes, during a hurricane. Our timing was impeccable when we planned this trip. However, I didn't have a chance to go to Aldi because of the trip, so I'm going to share with you two preparation hauls. One was from Imperfect Foods, where I share with you different snacks that I bought to take to Disney, and then the other one is from the Dollar Tree. You know your girl's not paying airport prices for snacks, so each of my kids got to pick out a candy and a crispy type snack to take through security, have on the airplane, have at the airport, have over flying, all the good things for way less money. So here are my grocery hauls for the week. I ended up getting more of this popcorn. It's stuck in the label here, but this is my second box in a row where I got it, and guess what? I'm eating one of the bags right now because I love the first bag so much. I ordered two more in this box and I'm eating one of them. So there were two of these. It is that good. And I'm not usually like a pumpkin spice, everything has to come to me. I love pumpkin, but this was worth it. We also, so this box I bought with Disney in mind. I bought a bunch of snacks that we can take down and easily snack on, have really easy additions to meals, or late night snacks or fillers, treats basically. So I got 2 bags of these chocolate covered cherries. My daughter Elsie and I love these. Yum. Then they don't always have this, so when I saw it, I got 3 bags of chocolate covered everything. This is an assortment of chocolate coated English toffee, caramel popcorn, almonds, and pretzels. My entire family loves this. It is so good, and we all will share this. So I have 3 bags of this. This will be easy to pack in a backpack, put in my fanny pack. Yummy snacks. I got 2 chocolate, these are delicious crispy wafers coated with premium dark chocolate. I got those for my husband. They were advertised to me and I thought he'd like them. So I got 2 of them. We probably won't take those to Disney. He'll probably just eat them here. But he was excited when I showed him. These are also delicious. I got 2 bags. They don't always have it, so again, I was excited. It's chocolate banana nut trail mix. So it's cashews, dried banana, and chocolate chunks. And the chocolate is like a dark chocolate, I think. Very good. I'm actually a big fan of this. All things chocolate are not my favorite, despite what this order looks like. But I think this is a really good mix. And I like that it has the fruit and the nuts too. So I have 2 bags of that. And finally, I've bought this many times from Imperfect Foods. Fruit strips and bits. Dried fruit and assorted flavors. You don't know what you're getting. It's just a bunch of strips, and I got 3 bags. This will be another thing that my kids will enjoy munching on, and it's not going to be super filling, but it'll be nice if we're in line somewhere and you just need a little bit of something. So this was my haul. So as a reminder, I am not sponsored by Imperfect Foods. I just enjoy them, and they had sent me a coupon to sign back up again after I canceled last time, so I did, and I got $25 off, which is what made me sign up again. I do think that their prices can be reasonable, but since I like to grocery shop every week, it's not something I stay and do weekly. So when I cancel and then they give me a decent reason to come back, don't forget there were 2 bags of these. This is what I got. This is my second haul. But I do love Imperfect Foods, and this will be much better than buying a bunch of snacks at Disney. So Elsie thinks right off the bat she found her candy. So everything's $1.25 versus at the airport we'd be remortgaging our house. I also am getting toothbrushes for the trip so we can just take them, dispose of them when we come home. Mila left the aisle, but she got Voodoo Zappos, hot potato chips. You're gonna get, Elsie might get skinny popcorn, she's considering. Okay, Mila thinks she's gonna get Mike and Ike's, and then these are vegan candies, right?
Yes.
So she doesn't have to worry about gelatin. And then show your chips, please. Yeah, look like good snacks. Oh, Elsie has kettle corn, boom chicka pop, and candy. Looks like a winning combination, and Kel's still on the hunt for his candy. We'll see if the girls change their minds once we're down this aisle.
These look super good, but it's so little that I might finish.
Okay, well, you don't need a ton of candy, bud.
Let me see. I might take them.
Read the box. Read the bag. So this says 4 ounces. What does the bag say? It's cherries, bud.
This is
So that has more.
this is cherry, Mom.
Elsie just did a nice lesson. She saw these have 5 ounces and the bag has 4, so she's getting a better value. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. I don't know. Dad told me he didn't want me to get him any, but I feel like I need to get him red licorice.
Okay.
Okay, Kelly, you like sour straws?
You.
Okay.
And the bye-bye. When are we going to be eating these? Like, where at?
In the airport, whenever it's on the flight, waiting for the airport.
Wait, Mom. Going.
Huh?
I want to slide you on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think what it is, Cal, look, this is what I was trying to show you. They also have the combos. But it's not as big as your huh? And my husband told me not to get him any, but I decided to get these for him. If you want to see a previous Imperfect Foods haul, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.